Yeah, get cool, yeah. Snowman, me no use chain after me no all cool. Gun black like bumbuckler tar. Them no man, so me kill a boy if me right, cause me do wrong.
When you talk about grimy lyrics, are them lyrics that you talk about are the Killers General, Ryme Minista, and the preview at upon him Instagram page. I want to go check it out. You see me at Rymeminista music. Me not like Killers General. That one you bad. Me heart get black like bumbuckler tar. Hey.
No, me a get cool, yeah. Snowman, me no use chain after me no all cool. Gun black like bumbuckler tar. Them no man, so me kill a boy if me right, cause me do wrong. How if I go near a jam like a do jam? When me say killers and me life,
Minister say when him say killers are him life and no slogan. You no see the man face expression, black virgin and badness. The badness are different. And me always love the Killers General style. Why for the love still? Rate the Killers General style. You see me? That style they bad. Me not like Killers General. You no need to go up on him Instagram page, check out the preview, and you know left a comment. Big up yourself.
There's some boys have a lock up. Big script on outside. Yeah, yo. It's just right. Always I do the right thing, you know. So I say, post what I fake friend not inviting. Yeah, dog.
Say fuck you, only thing me remember jet blue. Some minister say damage, here comes a ground bomb, black virgin get dark now, boom boom. The original dancehall music been missing too long now. So much clown me see them a give ratings and I hide the real talent in dancehall music industry. Rymeminista will always be the real lyrical hardcore creative original dancehall artist. And I'm not trying to sound like no one, meanwhile they all sound alike. And we don't know Killers General mean where I say, cause is a lyrical artist this. Big up yourself.